Hello and welcome to the micro lesson on showing a particle effect only over a certain mesh. So what I'm looking to do here is create this effect. So I have a sort of red-like smoke which is just being displayed over a cylinder. Now I've got an example of the smoke here otherwise so that it would be displayed just out in the open like this. Now what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using custom depth as a mask on the particle material. And to give you an example of it, I've actually created another material on a cube here. So this is using the same logic. So this material has an opacity mask, which means it is going to be transparent unless it is showing over something which has a custom depth. So as you can see, as I move this cube, the material will show when it is going over this item here. And the reason it's going over this item is because this item has custom depth set on it. So if I just come out of full view, you can see in the right hand side when I'm looking at this cylinder that the custom depth node is ticked here. So if I was to turn that off, it would no longer work. So this material is going to show when anything that has custom depth is shown below it. So let's have a quick look at this material. So this is an example of a custom depth. What I'm doing is I have a normal red material that's going into the base color. Then below that I have two nodes. One is bringing in the custom depth pass, and it is being subtracted from the scene depth pass. Then what I'm doing is I'm inverting it. If you didn't invert it, you would get the opposite effect. So you can now see the cube, but you won't see it when it has a custom depth object below it. Okay, so this is literally the code that I'm using, and you can see it here as I have added it to the normal particle effect. So this is the normal particle effect. I have added this piece of code to the and then added it to the opacity mask here on the material. Okay, and so that has created the specific effect. Right, okay. What I will do is I will nab this piece of code and I will share it in the description. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.